What's poppin', Diva gang? How are y'all doing today? These are the nails we're going to be working on today. These really cute Hobicore hand painted kind of French nails. I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this look and talk a little bit of, I guess, about my inspiration for the look as well. I kind of just did these for fun. I already went in and did my primer and base coat combo, and then I used that Beetles color for my nail bed color. And I just want to say really quick that I really like this color for nail beds, and this color in general, honestly. Like, it's not exactly a bubblegum pink. It's a little bit more of like a toned down, fleshy, salmony kind of pink, but it's not like a grandma pink, if that makes sense. It's just really pretty for the summer, I feel like. If anyone can remember all the way back to when Nicki came out with her MAC collab, and she had a lipstick, I think it was called, I don't think it was called Pink Friday, I think it was like called Glam Nicki Glam, or Glam Nicki, something like that. And it kind of looked like this color here. I wish I could get my hands on it today so that I could do like a side by side with pictures, but anywho, yeah. So the first thing that I'm doing is I'm going in and I'm creating my wings, my smile lines. I'm doing all this with gel polish. I'm going to do a really detailed video soon, because the rest of this month is gonna be all about French nails. So if you have any specific qualms or questions that have to do with French nails, hand painting French nails, I might, don't hold me to this, but I might attempt and do like some polygel French nails with a really crisp filed smile line nail bed area situation. I kind of need to, you know, whip my my fake hand into shape a little bit. So if I can get that together, y'all will get a polygel French video. But until then, I just really wanted to focus on this hand painted gel polish French, because it's so accessible, but I do see how it can be super difficult. Looking back at a lot of my French nail designs, you know, I always did the best that I could. In the beginning, when I started out doing like hand painted French, I did a lot of like painting on the base color and then painting on the nail bed color. But I don't do that as much anymore for a couple of reasons. For one, this is honestly a little bit easier for me, and I find that it's easier to get the nail beds to be like even every time doing it this way. And all that I'm really doing is just painting it on and then cleaning it up with some acetone and kind of just like shaping it. You know, it can get a little challenging. It can also get a little time consuming, but in my opinion, it's definitely worth it, especially if you want to use like a sheerer nail bed color. You know, you can't really paint that over like your tip color if you're using, in any situation, you really just can't do that. So I'm really glad that I found some ways to kind of perfect this method and make my French look really professional and clean. So yeah, comment below right now, comment below any specific questions that you have about hand painted French, and I will answer those in my video about my detailed video about hand painted French, and just kind of like all the things you all might want to know, because I feel like that would be a really helpful and game-changing topic to talk about. So yeah, but like I was saying, looking back at my French from some past, well, I've only been doing nails for like a year and some change now, and looking back just at my nails that I used to make and how my Frenches used to come out, you know, by no means are they like perfect. There's always room for improvement, but they just look so much better and so much cleaner. I feel so much more confident in my French designs. I've been dreaming of like a really pretty French set, like a really pretty blinged out French set, but it's just like, the way my life is set up right now, I don't go anywhere really, and I don't do anything, so it's just like I don't want to waste so much of my product, especially, you know, when I'm filming these videos so back to back and close together. Like, you know, it's a little bit easier, to be honest, for me to work with no nails on. So it's like, why make my life harder just you know, if I'm not even gonna keep the nails on for very long anyway. But I've been like fantasizing about just a really, really pretty, dreamy, blinged out set of French press-on nails. So yeah, that's a video that may be coming soon. I'm not sure yet. Like this video if you want to see me do some blinged out French nails. If we get this video to 50 likes, let's do that. If we get this video to 50 likes, I'll do some blinged out hand painted French nails. And I feel like that'd be good for you guys to watch too. You know, you can get like your ASMR vibes. You can just watch like I don't know, for me that kind of stuff is relaxing, watching people do like elaborate bling and things like that. So it's funny. That makes me think of like when people do well, it's not really so much a thing anymore, but when people were doing like those miniature cooking videos, oh my gosh, I hated watching those. They were just so irritating, and it's just like I wonder if that's how people feel about like watching people do elaborate bling nails. Like, comment below, does it irritate you or do you find it like relaxing to watch? I find it kind of relaxing, to be honest. Another thing that I kind of wanted to address is in my first Macart Femi Beauty collab video, someone commented and requested that I do a tutorial on my eyeshadow, because that was like a face cam tutorial. And I want to do actually more makeup looks on this channel. I want this channel to be kind of multifaceted. I want to do a bunch of different things here. I want to do vlogs. I want to do makeup. I don't know about hair, but I might graduate into doing hair as well. So let me know if those are things that you guys will want to see, because that was kind of the whole point of me changing the name of this channel from Diamond Dose Nails to Diamond Dose Beauty. I still don't even know if I'm 100% happy with the name, but because my brand is still super small, I feel like I had the flexibility to change it to anything that I want still. So that's kind of something that I'm thinking a lot about right now. But all in all, like I said, I want this channel to be so much more than just nails. Like, I want to do everything. Like, I want to do makeup tutorials. I want to do fashion inspo videos. I want to do vlogs. I want to do makeup transformations. I want to do a lot of things. So let me know if that's something that you all would be interested in, and I can do that. But yeah, so have you guys heard much about the Hobicore? Am I pronouncing it right? Hobicore nails. Essentially, it's just what I'm doing here. It's like French nails, but like every nail has a different, you know, kind of design on it, which I think is super cute. It's super futuristic and modern. And it's so simple. Like, most of the time, a lot of the designs can be hand painted. Like, I almost used some stickers on one of the hands here, or nails here, but I really wanted everything in this video to be all hand painted nail art. This is the giraffe nail, and it came out so cute. I was afraid that it was gonna come out kind of like what is that supposed to be? Is it like cow print? But it does actually, in my opinion, look like giraffe print, and I'm super happy about that. Like, I feel like that yellow orangey shade that I use is on point. I feel like you know, the pattern that I chose was really on point as well. And then later on in the video, I think it's actually the last nail that I do. Y'all, this was so unplanned, but as I was trying to figure out like different designs and things to put on these nails, you know, things just kind of went one way or the other. And I ended up painting the Powerpuff Girls, like the pulsating heart that's in like the intro of the Powerpuff Girls cartoons. If anybody watches that or used to watch that, y'all know what I'm talking about, because it was in style not too long ago. You know, the Powerpuff Girls, the pulsating layered heart, you know, that like goes outward in the beginning or the outro of the show. I ended up painting it, and I'm so surprised how good it came out. Like, as I was looking at it in like the final pictures and like the outro of this video, I couldn't believe that I actually painted that. Like, and then I keep trying to find all of these justifications. Like, maybe it's the brush I'm using. Maybe I'm just using a really good brush. But like, you know, maybe on the other hand, I don't give myself enough credit. You know what I'm saying? And I'm really, really proud of the way that these came out. When I first kind of started doing nails as a hobby and as a business venture, hand painted nail art, you know, I wasn't for it. You know, because I feel like there's so many people that do hand painted nail art and it just doesn't look good. And I feel like don't try to do it if it's not going to be like on point, you know, because hand painted nail art, it's hard. It's not an easy thing to do and it takes a lot of practice. So, you know, I didn't have a lot of confidence that my hand painted nail art would look good at all. So I just didn't do it. I said that's what they have stickers and decals for. But my hand painted nail art in this video actually came out really, really nice, and I'm overall really, really happy with it. Comment below, let me know, what is you all's favorite nail? Do you have a favorite nail of this set? If I had to choose, I think it might be the yellow. If not this one, maybe like the yellow one with the smiley face with the X's for eyes. Either that or yeah, it would probably be that, to be honest. I like that nail a lot. But yeah, this one and that one are probably like my faves. But I'm going to allow you guys to finish watching me do this hand painted nail art, and then I will be back for the end of the video. Okay, so we're finally done with all the hand painted arts. I wanted to do matte top coat on all the nails because I feel like hand painted nail art underneath matte top coat just looks really, really nice. And matte top coat, to be honest, is not my thing. I'm definitely a gloss girl. That's why you don't see me use matte top coat very much on this channel, just because it makes me a little uncomfortable. But I do keep it around, you know, just because it's kind of a staple. So I do have it, but it was kind of like running low on me in this video, and I was afraid I wasn't going to have enough to do the other hand. So I just decided to do one hand shiny and then one hand matte. And ultimately, it was a really good decision. The two hands look really, really good together, in my opinion. So I just did one coat of each, cured for 60 seconds, and then I filed just like the free edge of the nails and also the side walls just to clean them up a bit, because you know we use a lot of gel polish. And this is the final result. What do you guys think? I feel like this looks super cute. Like, even though we don't have any bling going on, which makes me feel a type of way, I feel like the design is still really, really cute. That dot nail is super cute. You know, polka dots and like dots like that are kind of trending right now for some reason. I'm really not a fan of the look, but you know, after this video I may give them a try. And like I said, I feel like the decision to do one hand matte and one hand shiny just added a little something extra to this set. I'm loving this nail bed color. I think it's super cute, and I love a pink nail bed. I feel like the pink nail bed is such a statement. You know, a nice skin tone nail bed is beautiful as well, but that pink nail bed just like, it just does something for me, you know? It just gives me what I need. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. What do you think of the Hobicore nails, the hand painted French nails? Look at that Powerpuff Girls heart, you guys. Didn't it come out so good? I feel like it came out so good. And with that matte top coat, it just made it look even better. So if you're still here, thank you so much for watching. I love you so much, Diva Gang. Don't forget to like this video so you can get recommended to more divas like you. Hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Mwah.